Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back again with another video. Today I'm here to teach you how to sign up your Lensa AI account. After you've downloaded your Lensa AI app, you need to click on Lensa app. After opening the Lensa AI app, you need to understand the terms and condition and you need to continue. Here the app teaches you about all the AI powered features. These are all the reviews and ratings given by the users of Lensa AI. And in order to sign up, you need to click on 7-day free trial and then you can click on start my 7-day free trial now. Then your app gets continued to the app store. So this app is a membership based app, so you need to pay certain amount to access this app. So after all the processing, your app will get started and you will get signed into it. After you sign up with your app interface looks like this. Then you can get started with your app. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.